Question number 1.
If James had known about the meeting, he arrived earlier in New York City. A. Would have. B. Would be. C. Will have.
Question number 2.
Sophia said she already finished the report before the deadline. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have.
Question number 3.
Robert is responsible organizing the event in Los Angeles. A. Of. B. For. C. To.
Question number 4.
Either Elizabeth or her friends bringing the dessert tonight. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 5.
Mateo enjoys reading, painting, and in the park on weekends. A. To walk. B. Walking. C. Walk.
Question number 6.
If Pierre had taken the job in Paris, he working there now. A. Would be. B. Would have been. C. Will be.
Question number 7.
James said that he the movie twice already. A. Had seen. B. Has seen. C. Seen.
Question number 8.
Elizabeth is very interested in photography and art. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 9.
Neither the teacher nor the students happy with the schedule. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 10.
Robert wants to travel, learn new languages, and different cultures. A. Exploring. B. Explore. C. Explored.
Question number 11.
If Sophia had studied harder, she a higher grade now. A. Would get. B. Would be getting. C. Would have gotten.
Question number 12.
Mateo said that he the book by last weekend. A. Finished. B. Had finished. C. Finishes.
Question number 13.
Pierre is famous his innovative fashion designs in Paris. A. For. B. About. C. By.
Question number 14.
One of the reports missing from the office in Houston. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 15.
Elizabeth likes hiking, swimming, and early in the morning. A. Jog. B. Jogging. C. To jogs.
Question number 16.
If James hadn't lost his passport, he traveling in Europe now. A. Would have been. B. Would be. C. Will be.
Question number 17.
Sophia mentioned her flight to Rome the day before. A. Had missed. B. Missed. C. Has missed.
Question number 18.
Mateo is capable solving complex coding problems. A. In. B. Of. C. At.
Question number 19.
Either the employees or the manager responsible for this mistake. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 20.
Pierre loves cooking, traveling, and new recipes. A. Discovering. B. Discover. C. Discovered.
Question number 21.
If Elizabeth had listened to the advice, she better off now. A. Would be. B. Would have been. C. Will be.
Question number 22.
Robert said he'd the email before the deadline passed. A. Had sent. B. Sent. C. Sends.
Question number 23.
Sophia is afraid speaking in public. A. From. B. Of. C. To.
Question number 24.
Neither of the options appealing to Mateo. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 25.
James enjoys running, reading, and podcasts on weekends. A. Listen. B. Listening. C. Listened.
Question number 26.
If Robert had saved more money, he buying a car now. A. Would have been. B. Would be. C. Will be.
Question number 27.
Sophia said that she the package before noon. A. Had received. B. Received. C. Has received.
Question number 28.
Pierre apologized being late to the meeting. A. Of. B. For. C. About.
Question number 29.
Neither the coffee nor the croissants fresh this morning. A, are. B, is. C, were.
Question number 30.
Elizabeth spends her weekends reading, cleaning, and yoga. A, practice. B, practicing. C, practices.
Question number 31.
If Matteo had not missed his train, he in Rome by now. A, would have been. B, would be. C, will be.
Question number 32.
James sent he the document before sending it. A, had checked. B, checked. C, has checked.
Question number 33.
Robert is proud his daughter's achievements. A, of. B, for. C, about.
Question number 34.
Either the pen or the paper's missing from the desk. A, is. B, are. C, were.
Question number 35.
Sophia loves singing, dancing, and at the theater. A, perform. B, performing. C, performed.
Question number 36.
If Pierre had worked harder, he a better job by now. A, would get. B, would be getting. C, would have gotten.
Question number 37.
Elizabeth said she her friend in Los Angeles last week. A, had met. B, met. C, has met.
Question number 38.
Matteo is excellent solving complex math problems. A, in. B, at. C, with.
Question number 39.
Neither the coach nor the players happy about the result. A, was. B, were. C, is.
Question number 40.
Robert likes skiing, swimming, and with friends. A, hang out. B, hanging out. C, hanged out.
Question number 41.
If James had called earlier, he invited to the event now. A, would be. B, would have been. C, will be.
Question number 42.
Sophia said she the file before leaving the office. A, had deleted. B, deleted. C, has deleted.
Question number 43.
Pierre is fond classical music. A. Of. B. For. C. About.
Question number 44.
Either the teacher or the students confused about the task. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 45.
Elizabeth spends her evenings cooking, reading, and music. A. To listen. B. Listening to. C. Listen.
Question number 46.
If Robert had taken the flight, he in New York now. A. Would have been. B. Would be. C. Will be.
Question number 47.
Mateo said he completed the assignment before class. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have.
Question number 48.
Sophia is excited her upcoming vacation to Paris. A. About. B. For. C. Of.
Question number 49.
Neither of the answers correct in this case. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 50.
James likes movies that are thrilling, dramatic, and written. A. Beautiful. B. Beautifully. C. Beauty.